Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're diving into how you can use Smartsheet to manage project risks and issues like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to quickly spot trouble on your project dashboard, but also how to stay on top of every risk or issue so nothing ever slips through the cracks. Let's jump right in and get you feeling confident with these essential Smartsheet features. So to get started, let's imagine you've already got your project data set up in Smartsheet. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your project dashboard. This is your command center, the place where you can see up-to-date information about how your project is doing. Look for the sections that show risks and issues. These panels give you a quick snapshot of where your attention might be needed. Now, as you're scanning through, you'll notice some visual indicators. Pay close attention to any red flags, literally. In Smartsheet, a red flag is used to signal that the project is currently at risk. Think of it like a warning light on your car's dashboard. It's a clear sign you need to check things out. When you see this, it means something significant has happened or there's a potential problem that requires immediate focus. While you're here, take a look at additional columns like Status, Assigned To, and the Date fields. The Status column tells you the current state of each risk or issue, and it helps you prioritize which ones need urgent attention. Assigned To is super useful. It shows who is responsible for resolving that particular risk or issue, so there's never any confusion about ownership. And those Date columns, they help track when a risk was identified, when it needs to be resolved, and can even tell you if something's overdue. If you're working in a team, this visibility goes a long way toward accountability and transparency. But don't stop at just viewing this data. Let's make Smartsheet do some of the hard work for us. Next, go into your project plan sheet. This sheet acts like the blueprint for everything that's happening in your project, including risks, issues, and all planned tasks. At the very top of the screen, you'll notice an Automations menu. Click on that and then go to Manage Automation Workflows. Automations might sound a bit technical, but trust me, they're a huge time saver. With these workflows, you can set up rules so that every time a row is updated, for example, if a risk status changes from open to escalated, Smartsheet will automatically send an alert to the person assigned to that risk. Think of it as having a digital assistant that taps you on the shoulder the instant something needs your attention. This way, you ensure that nothing gets missed, especially for high-stakes changes where speed matters most. Now, once you've got your automation set up, head back to your main dashboard. Here, you'll be able to see all your project's progress, as well as risks and issues in one easy-to-read overview. This high-level visibility means you can spot trends before they become big headaches, communicate confidently with your team, and stay proactive about solving problems before they derail your project. And that's a wrap. Managing risks and issues in Smartsheet doesn't have to be complicated. With these tools in place, you'll be tackling project challenges like a seasoned project manager. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. And if you have any questions or want to share your own Smartsheet tips, drop them in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.